Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will learn how to group tabs in Google Chrome. This is very easy, so let's start. First, open Google Chrome on your device. Then we open some new tabs. Then again, tap here. Now tap here. Then again tap on three dot here. Now tap on select tabs. Now select the tabs which you want to group them. We select 4 tabs. Now again tap here. Now tap on group tabs. See here, the 4 tabs are in one group. You can open the group here. See here, all of them tabs are now in one group. That's it. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. If you enjoy this, please like this and also subscribe our channel. Thank you.